डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी.
Good afternoon, dear students. I, Dr. Chintan Waghela, working as an assistant professor of English subject at Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University. A warm welcome to all the students. Dear students, as usual, we will discuss one educational quote and we will start our session. In every lecture, we are having one kind of revolutionary quote on education, about the education, that education is the key to unlocking the world, a passport to freedom. Dear students, the word is called the passport we have. As we all know that when we want to travel across the world, across the globe, a passport is needed. Without passport, we cannot travel. So in the same way, if we want to live a peaceful life, an effective life, a meaningful life, education is mandatory. Without education, that we cannot survive. So in the same way that education is the key to unlocking the world, it's one kind of passport we have. And if we have a reputed and enough education, we can easily travel across the world. So dear students, our today's topic is all about that components and types of essay, part 3. As you know that we have already discussed part 1 and part 2 in our previous session. So today we are going to discuss something about components and types of essay, part 3, TYBA, subject code ENGM 308. So before we go ahead, today we will discuss some components and the types of essay first. So we are having some types of essay. Number 1, synthesis essay, explicatory essay, rhetorical analysis essay, review essay, simple essay and research essay. All these types we will discuss today. Very first essay type we are having, that is called the synthesis essay. During school time that we are writing various kind of essays, and mostly we know that there is no any kind of preparation to write the essay. But here, if we want to write a specific type of essay, we have to follow some instruction so that we can write an essay very effectively. Let's discuss that number 1, that is called synthesis essay. A synthesis essay takes ideas from the different sources and combines them to form a clear judgment about their strengths and weaknesses. It brings together information, data and viewpoints from various places to support a central idea or the argument. Essentially, the writer mixes their own thoughts, their own feelings, opinions with the research from other sources to create a well-rounded perspective and the essay. That is called synthesis essay we have. Here I have brought some examples for you so that you can identify that what is synthesis exactly. Here that you can see the impact of technology on climate change, the ethical implications on genetic engineering, the effects of sleep on human health, the potential benefits and risk of artificial intelligence in healthcare, the impact of social media activism on real world political change, the intersection of artificial intelligence and human the arts. So here that you can see all these examples for the synthesis essay. Number 2, explicatory essay. An explicatory essay is meant to explain a piece of literature. It is often written about poems, short stories and the novels. Obviously, dear students, that mostly that you all are aware about the literature. Literature is full of poems, novels and short stories. And by getting the sources from all these resources, all this literature, that is called explicatory essay. An explicatory essay is a type of writing that explain and analyze the piece of work, usually a literary text, poem, passage, to uncover its meaning. The goal is to interpret the text in detail and clear manner, breaking it down to help the readers understand its deeper significance. Yes, dear students, sometimes what happens, you know that some authors, they are choosing the particular poem, the novel or the short stories, and they are writing, they are bringing all these things to us. That is one kind of explicatory essay. I have brought some examples for you, and by getting all these examples, at least that you have an idea that which kind of explicatory essay we have. Yes, on the screen that you are getting, unveiling the layers of symbolism in Robert Frost, The Road Not Taken. I hope you all are very familiar with the Robert Frost, the Road Not Taken. An analysis of the theme of ambition in Shakespeare's Macbeth. Exploring the concept of alienation in Franz Kafka's The Metamorphosis. The representation of love and death in Emily Dickinson's poetry. And understanding the role of class conflict in Orwell's Animal. Next type is called rhetorical analysis essay. Let's discuss that what is rhetorical analysis essay. That each evaluates a speech or a piece of rhetoric on the basis of rhetorical strategies and devices used in it. It is a type of writing that examines how an author or uses rhetorical strategies and techniques to persuade, inform, or to engage the audience. Dear students, here that you can see that different authors having their own perspective, they are having their own technique to write. Some authors, they are having a good skill to criticize the people, to criticize the situation. Some people, they always believe in sarcasm. They are having their own takiya kalam. Takiya kalam, it means that they are having their own style to write anything or write to something. So here rhetorical analysis essay is one kind of, we will feel one kind of analysis in this kind of essay. Here that you can see that I have brought some examples for you, that which kind of rhetorical analysis essay we have. Number one, rhetorical analysis of Martin Luther King Jr.'s I Have a Dream speech. Number two, analyzing the rhetorical strategies in Barack Obama's inaugural address. Number three, rhetorical analysis of a political campaign advertisement. Number four, the use of pathos Apple's Think Different advertising campaign. Number fifth, rhetorical analysis of the Declaration Independence. So here that you can see this, the list of rhetorical analysis. As next type is all about the review essay. I hope that you all are very familiar with the word called the review. Let's discuss. A review essay discusses the merits and demerits of a book and evaluates it through a review. I hope that nowadays we all are connected to the social media, as for example YouTube, Facebook and all others. And mostly that we are getting some videos where we are having the review of the particular product. I just want to give an example. Suppose if you are planning to buy any kind of electronic gadgets, even if the car, bike, whatever. So you will find some essays there. You will find some videos there. In those videos, you will find one kind of review by having one of the experts, and they are explaining which product that you have to buy or not. As for example, mobile phone. Suppose a particular mobile phone is launched and you are planning to buy this mobile phone. So we are having one kind of pros and cons. Some experts, they are sharing the video of the particular mobile phone or the particular product even after using 5 to 6 months. So in this kind of video, you will identify that whether you have to go for this product or not. Means you have to purchase this product or not. So that is the thing that we have today, that is called the review essay. Let's see that what to do exactly. See, a review essay is a type of academic writing that evaluates and analyzes one or more works such as books, articles, films or artworks. The purpose is to provide a critical assessment discussing the strengths, weaknesses and overall contribution of the works to a particular field or a topic. Unlike a simple summary, a review essay offers deeper insights, comparing perspectives, highlighting key themes, and often placing the works in a broader context. The prime purpose, the main aim is to inform the readers about the significance and the quality of the material reviewed. I hope that you have an information about that what is the review essay exactly. In next slide that I have brought some review essay for you so that you have an idea. Number one, a review of the latest book in the Harry Potter series, J.K. Rowling influence on modern fantasy. Reviewing the impact of documentary 13 on public awareness of racial injustice. Number 3, a critical review of Elon Musk's biography and insight into the mind of a tech billionaire. So here that you can see, as I have explained, 3 essay 1, 2, 3, and the rest of the essays are the best example of review essay. Let's discuss next type, that is called the simple essay. Let's see that simple essay. A simple essay is a straightforward, the piece of writing that focuses on a single topic, presenting ideas in a clear and organized manner. It typically follows a basic structure with an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. The prime purpose of a simple essay is to express thoughts or to convey an information in easy to understanding way, to make it accessible to a wide audience very effectively. This type of essay is often used for beginners learning to organize and articulate their ideas effectively. I have also brought some simple essays examples in the next slide, so that here you can see number 1, the importance of staying organized, how to maintain a healthy lifestyle, my favorite season and why I love it, the role of a social media in modern life, why recycling is important for the environment, and the benefits of regular exercise. So dear students, here that you can see that all these 6 simple essay we have, the main purpose, the prime purpose of this essay to convey an information to the people. Number 1, the importance of staying organized. Organization means to manage the thing. So you can see that we are having some resources on offline and the online mode, means in the books and the social media as well, that what is the simple essay exactly. So to bring the information to the people. Let's discuss next slide, that is called the research essay. I hope by reading the title research, at least that you have an idea. Research means some kind of the process we have to pay attention on the particular thing for a long time, that you are searching on it, that you are working on it, and that you are bringing a fruitful outcome, that is called the research we have. Sometimes research means something which didn't invent yet, and you are inventing, you are working on it, and you have brought a significant improvement on the particular thing. Let's discuss that what is research essay exactly. A research essay is a type of academic writing that explores a specific topic in depth by gathering information from reliable and the authentic sources. Please make sure while we are having the research, it is our solemn responsibility that whatever that we are bringing the information to the people, it must be authentic and valid. The prime purpose, the main goal is to go for the research essay that it could be well supported, argument or the analysis based on evidence such as books, articles or studies. It involves critical thinking, careful organization and proper citation of sources to ensure accuracy and credibility. a research essay which helps the readers to understand the topic throughout by combining the writer's insight with factual information. I have also brought some research essay list to you. Yes, that you are getting on the screen. Blended learning, bridging traditional and modern education system, the impact of digital tools on enhancing learning in higher education, media trials and their impact on judicial independence in India, exploring utopian and dystopian themes in 21st century literature, and the evolution of human rights law, a comparative analysis of global. I just want to give an example. Suppose the first one is called blended learning, bridging traditional and modern education system. Dear students, the first word is all about that blended learning. Blend means a mixture of two different things, and having a mixture of two different things, that we are getting one more result, that is called the blended learning. As for example, the traditional learning. As you all know, the traditional learning, that we are having a classroom, and in that classroom that we are having a faculty. He or she is teaching by having a blackboard, and the students are sitting in this class. Blend means that we are adding something. Now please pay attention. We are adding something. We are adding something like that. We are adding technology. As for example, while we are having traditional class, but while we are also working with mobile phone, laptop, or any kind of other electronic gadgets to fulfill our academic requirements, and we are having teaching or the learning, that is called the blended learning. So here that you can see in this kind of essay, you can go for the research and you can write. I hope, dear students, that we have discussed all these essays properly, and I hope that you like the today's presentation as well. So here I just want to conclude all the essays we have covered in part 1, 2 and 3. So thanks to all dear students for giving your valuable time and presence. Thanks to all.
स्वाध्यायः परमः